Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to get your Roblox user ID. So guys, for that go to your Google Chrome, tap on the search bar and search roblox.com. Tap on the first one. Now tap on continue in browser, and then you have to log into your Roblox account. Now open your profile, tap on the three dot icon. Now tap on share, copy the link. Now go back, paste the link here, and guys, it will be right next to the user and after the slash. So this number right here next to the users is your Roblox user ID. Now you can copy this and do whatever you want it. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.